Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create modern liquefy marble texture effect in Illustrator. Draw a vertical strip, Alt and drag with the strip shape for duplicate shape. Ctrl D for repeat duplicate shape. Warp tool shortcut Shift R. Double click on warp tool for options. Press over the strips with warp tool for marble effect. Select all strips and apply gradient. Gradient panel. Ctrl F9. Type linear. Select shape and edit gradient. Select all and right click and group Ctrl G. Draw a horizontal box. Select all and right click and clipping mask. Ctrl 7. Finally, your vector liquefy effect background is now ready. Please follow step by step and it's easy way to create marble texture effect in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.